Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you're facing a issue that your Alt plus Tab is not working on your Windows 11, then this video is for you. First, you have to do is you can find the start icon here. You have to right click on it and you can find the task manager. Or you can do is click on this, right click on this taskbar here, and you can also find the task manager here. Now from here you can do is simply type here. You can find a search box where you can find the Windows Explorer that's currently this here. You can see that is running here right now. Now you have to select this and you can find the restart task. If I expand that section here, you can find just like this, the restart task. Now simply click on that restart task and it will restart here. So after restarting it, you will be able to solve this issue. If this issue is persist, then you can do is simply click on your Windows icon here and go to the settings. So when you are settings, you have to simply go to the systems. Now scroll down and you can find the multitasking. Now here at the second option, show tabs from apps when snapping or pressing Alt plus Tab. So you have to simply click on this drop down and select don't show tabs, or you can select it here. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.